I went all the way above and came down. It won't be empty like this because it's a holiday. It is empty like this. I have seen it will be fully crowded with lot of vehicles going up and down. So there's a high security zone, and I went like that, came all the way. What I see is lot of government offices and lot of security. So Abhinandan here. Now, so this is one place. See, they have put a poster for a room also. See here, they have taken it out. I'll come and put my poster later. How to earn money globally in digital asset. Okay, I'll put up one small sticker. So that's all it is. It's not a big square, but it's very prominent because of some historic fact. You speak English? That is my starter question. There's something very famous regarding this church, probably built in 16th century. You go all the way down like this, you get to one building. People take photos with this background. You get a building where they mentioned Amazon, eBay, Alibaba and all. Oh, here this is crowded. I went here that day here. Should I go today? I can go down like this. Okay, instead of going like this, I'll go like this. This is directly to this square it comes. It is a small shopping area, and for me nothing interests all these things, because if it is electronics or anything, everything best you get is in Malaysia, Hong Kong or China. And I'll stop right now. But yesterday I saw some very nice things. Let me record little more anyhow. They sell your bread like anything. These are the kind of... How much is this?
10 unidades, 25 casero.
I don't understand. Tell me in English.
¿Perdón?
Tell me in English. Five?
Bread.
Five. How much is this?
5.
No, how much? Conta.
2.50.
One.
1.
No, this full. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10.
How much? Conta. Oh, 25. Okay, so it's here only. Okay. So 10 bun, but I don't take that white one. I take something called integral. Integral is what is this? What is this? What is this?
Peru.
You're from Peru? I was there in Peru.
¿También de Perú?
I was in Peru. That bread I don't take. I take another one which is called integral. Integral means whole bread. See that side one. This side is L alto at the top over there. You see I can see the metro cable car going. This will be very peak rush. I think people are all at home only today. No one coming out, so it's good for my recording. Everything is pretty expensive here when I compare to India price, Malaysia price, Indonesia price. And they have no value for one person will say one rate, another person will say another rate. How much is this?
A 140 están.
Tell me in English.
Pero a 140.
Oh, 14 bowel, 14 1 4. This one, how much?
Grave la ofrecieron. Así,
Oh, 14.
así.
140.
Eso es.
14. Huh?
Bolivianos. 140 bolivianos.
140. Bolivian.
Bolivianos.
Okay. 140 Bolivian. In Bangkok, Malaysia.
Ay, no le entiendo.
No, you don't know. Wait, in Malaysia, Bangkok, it is 10 Bolivian. Das.
100.
5.
100.
Say in Bangkok, I purchased this for 150 rupees inside steel. Bangkok, 140 for 10. Say, did you know in Bangkok I purchased it in the wholesale market for 150 rupees. Here, she told 140 Bolivian currency. 140 means multiply 140 into 13. If you multiply 140 into 10, it is 1,400. 1,400. Then you add a little more. You know what? It comes up to 1,600 rupees. 1,600 rupees that bottle. How much it is in Bangkok? In the wholesale market when you go, you get it for 140 rupees. If not online, you will get it for 500, 600 rupees. Expensive place, it is 500, 600. Okay. But Abhinandan knows wholesale market. I go only for wholesale market. Yesterday was Halloween. Everything today is finished already. Okay. Here she is saying 140 Bolivian. 140 Bolivian. 140 into 13. Multiply how much it will be. It will be probably more than 1,400 into this 3 into 140. Oh, more. 1,700 or something. Okay. So because all these products come from there only. And if you go anywhere, you will see Chinese product. Anywhere you go, you see Chinese product. I go to the other side is the wholesale market. Everyone selling, and there's no value for it. Simply exorbitant. So anyhow, let me go here and then stop. From India you get agarbatti only. So let me stop after this. This is one center area. I'm only looking back and front. No one should come and snatch. I will cross the other side. Abhinandan here. So my brain knows the price of every city. Either it is Japan or New York or India or Malaysia or Bangkok or you know what, Philippines, La Paz. I wanted to record this. Good. So yesterday there was a very huge crowd here. Starting from here for another 3 kilometers. Starting from this point. That is called San Francisco Church. And the crowd started from here for the Halloween. Okay. Here you can see La Paz. La Paz means peace. So there's a red line going. I went in the red line already. And I'll be going again. Near my place is purple line. I want to go that side. So good. Because it's already, there's no traffic jam. If not, it will be a severe traffic jam. So this is one market called Mercado Lanza. Not very reasonable, but okay. So I'll go that side and I will cross back to the other side where my earlier hotel was there. Wow, see the backdrop of that hills. That is the station I was. So this is one center area. Center downtown area. Only today very less people are there. So I go like this, I go inside the market and I go other side. A lot of foreigners comes here to eat. So I'll go this side. I've already seen that side, and that side there are printing presses, offset printing press. And you walk this side, it goes directly 15 minutes to the bus station. And buses from here goes to Argentina. Can you believe? 4 days, 3 days, 4 days. Buenos Aires, Chile 4 days, Chile 4 days, Paraguay. I'll be probably going to Paraguay or Chile or any place. I'll plan. So it's very nice during daytime to record. And it's still not very dark. So I came by the bus from Peru only, from Cusco. So I'm going to stop it right now. This is Abhinandan.